नमस्कार दोस्तों, जय हिंद। आज का जो केस होने वाला है उसमें एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा चीज़ गौर करने लायक ये आपको देखने को मिलेगी कि कोर्ट ने या सीआरपीसी ने ये कहा हुआ है कि जब तक सूरज ना चढ़े और जब तक सूरज ढल जाए आपने किसी भी लेडी को थाने में नहीं बुलाना। ठीक है, बच्चों को तो वैसे नहीं बुलाना। तो ये जो केस है ना, इसमें ये हुआ कि एक मर्डर हुआ कहीं, जिसमें उस लेडी का पति का कोई सुराग नहीं मिल रहा था। तो जहां उसका मर्डर होता है वहां से जो उसकी वाइफ होती है वो कुछ उसके ही एरिया में रहती होती है। तो रात को 2-2:30 बजे वारदात होती है और ये पुलिस वाले 4 बजे उसके घर पहुंच जाते हैं और उस लेडी को ले आते हैं थाने। अब थाने में जब वो ले आते हैं तो उस लेडी के साथ उसके बच्चे आते हैं। तो कोर्ट ने जो धोया मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता। आओ इसे सारी बात को समझे। थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश में रहने वाला, बीच बीच में आपको सारी चीज समझाता चलूंगा। आओ सुने सारी वारदात।
Other officers be so heartless. So you take her to the
कह रहे
police
हैं
station,
हार्टलेस हो
small
तुम,
children
तुम्हारे अंदर
being
दिल ही नहीं है।
dragged along. What kind of
बच्चों
atrocities
को
your
खींच के लाए हो।
police officers are doing?
मतलब क्या
4:15
कार्रवाई।
a.m. She's brought to the police station
4:15
with a
बजे सुबह
child.
के।
We're directing registration of an FIR now, right now. You want the case to be destroyed right now? All right, we direct the entire police station to be placed under suspension right now. Now,
पूरा
please
थाना
don't make us
सस्पेंड कर
comment.
दूंगा। जज
This
साहब ये कह
step
रहे
by
हैं।
step improvement. You want us to believe
कह रहा
that?
आप हमें सिखा रहे हैं।
Now, what is your stand, Mr. Mazumdar? Children picked up with the mothers.
वकील से पूछ रहे हैं कि भैया तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो इस पे कि बच्चे भी उठा लिए माँ के साथ।
Children were not picked up since mother was
वो
asked
कह
to
रहा
come because
चिल्ड्रन को
she
उठाया
was
नहीं
having
था,
information about
उसकी
the
माँ को
accused.
लेके
She was
आना
not
था,
disclosing.
इसलिए
Juvenile
बच्चे उसके
Justice
साथ आ
Act.
गए।
Well, your lordship is a
Child
तो
can't be
लॉर्डशिप
brought to
ये
the
कह
police
रहे हैं
station.
कि
these
जुवेनाइल जो
children are not in conflict with law.
जो जुवेनाइल
As per
एक्ट
the
है
Juvenile
उसमें
Justice Act.
बच्चे नहीं आ
Even if
सकते।
they are in need
वो
of
समझा
care
रहे
and
हैं आपस में।
protection, can you take them to the police station, please?
They were not picked up. Mother was asked to come, and the mother said there is nobody else to look after the child. That is how the mother.
Your officers be so heartless. She is charged of 2 and 2 only.
मतलब उस
What
पे
prompted
लेडी
your
को कोई
officers
बहुत
to
बड़ा
bring her to
चार्ज
the
भी
police
नहीं
station
था
in the
कि
night?
आप उसको इस तरीके से
She
उठा
was
के ले
running
आए।
away.
The incident took place
और
at
उसमें ये
night,
तक कह दिया
and
जज साहब ने
therefore
कि भैया वो भाग रही थी क्या,
2:30 AM the police had to
तुम
visit
रुक
the
जाते
place
2
of
घंटे।
occurrence.
4 बजे पहुंच गए थे ना।
So what was the anxiety to pick up the ladies in the
बस
night?
जल्दी क्या थी उठाने की उसको।
Knowing very well that there are small children with them.
और आपको पता था कि छोटे बच्चे हैं साथ में।
The lady was not picked up because she was having information about the accused. He was not disclosing in the
So,
morning. 4:30.
वो कह रहा लेडी को नहीं
so
उठाया था,
what you
वो
will
उसको
do?
लाया गया।
You will beat her with a belt.
तो जज सब कह रहे हैं कि भैया जल्दी
Then-
क्या थी,
Correct
दिन हो जाने
information to
देते।
ask her, madam.
Can you take a woman to the police station in the night?
बस
Tell us.
As per
क्या आप
Come to
सीआरपीसी
this.
के अकॉर्डिंगली
CRPC.
क्या किसी
CRPC.
लेडी को रात में ला सकते हो? जज साहब ने
Yes,
किताब
can be
खोल ली है,
Let's
वो कह रहे
see.
ला सीआरपी
gentlemen.
पढ़ा दे तुझे आज। अब वो देखो सीआरपीसी किताब खोल के बैठ गए हैं। ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि भैया तू ढंग से पढ़ाई करके आ और उसमें देख ले सीआरपीसी में क्या लिखा हुआ है।
Yes.
Just 46,
46-4.
46, 4 minutes.
Yes.
Save in exceptional circumstances, no woman shall be arrested
Yes.
after the sunset and before sunrise.
Yes.
And where such exceptional circumstances exist,
So, all right, what prompted you to bring her to the police station? On what ground? What were the grounds to
Madam-
call her to the?
Madam,
Is there a summon that appeared at the police station for giving the statement?
May kindly just go through this. I have mentioned, they have mentioned everything here. What, under what
जज साहब कह रहे
circumstances?
भैया
Yes.
जल्दी क्या थी यार लाने की तुम्हें। एक्चुअली
मतलब
क्या है,
I am
कोर्ट
reading
का ये
from the
कहना है
biggest
कि
piece
जब
of
जो
the
रूल
beer with me.
स्पेसिफाई
Yes,
हो
yes.
चुका
What
है कि
information
बच्चों और
regarding a
लेडी को
person
नहीं लाना
passerally
तो
being
तुम क्यों
shot
उठा के
and
लाए हो?
murdered was received on 25th of May 2020.
अब ये बता रहे हैं कि मर्डर हुआ था।
This is very
सारी
clear on the face of it. What kind of atrocities your police officers are doing?
अब जज साहब गुस्सा कर रहे हैं कि भैया तुमने ऐसा करा क्यों। अब ये लेडी है,
Baby of
इस लेडी के
2.5
अंदर आता है
years.
वो सारा थाना।
All right, we direct the entire police station to be placed under suspension right now.
सारा थाना सस्पेंड करा दिया।
Let her explain what actually.
Yes.
अब ये
Your
लेडी
Lordship,
बोलेगी,
the
ये
former
You are
सुनने वाली
the
चीज है।
superintendent of police.
Superintendent of Police of
Yes.
Delhi.
ये एसएसपी हैं।
Your Lordship, when the first, prime accused Shah Jahan Ali was absconding, we did a lot of local inquiry, and then we got to know that his wife, the second wife, she stays in a remote share area under Chunari PS in Golpara. So we had dispatched a party from Dhubri district at night, and they reached the house of the second wife at
कह
around
रही कि रात को
4:15
2:15 बजे के
AM.
आसपास ये
Your
वारदात हुई
Lordship,
है,
at
तो
around
इनको
4
पता
AM,
लगा
this
था कि इसकी
pretty
बीवी यहीं कहीं रहती है,
bride.
तो हमने वहां
Again,
से
you are
भेज दी
trying
थी
to
एक
tell us
टीम।
what is day and what is night.
No, your
अब
Lordship.
यहाँ कह रही कि सुबह 4 बजे थोड़ा
in the house of the other,
मतलब थोड़ा
the
सवेरा
second
हो गया
wife,
था, तो
her parents
जैसा आप
were
कह रहे
there,
तो हमें
her
बताएगी
brother was there.
कि
There were
सवेरा
other
कितना होता है,
members,
रात
but
कितनी
because
होती
it was
है।
a 2.5-year-old baby, she did not want to leave the baby, and hence we had to bring. I mean, she got the baby out of her own accord along with her. We did not get the baby or the children
2.5 साल
along,
का बच्चा था
but
साथ में।
because the children did not want to leave the mother, they accompanied the mothers and came. And your Lordship, this.
Why could your officers not have waited for 2 more hours?
जैसा आप कह रहे भैया 2 घंटे और रुक जाते ना,
Lordship,
तुम्हें
because
जल्दी
it's
क्या
a
थी?
remote shore area and they had to come walking.
भाई साहब दबा
And
के रखा हुआ है
after
जज साहब
that,
ने।
I apologize that.
अब ये कह रही मैं माफी मांगती हूँ।
You are a lady.
कह
And
रही
how
तुम
your
खुद
officers
लेडी हो
have
यार,
behaved
तुम्हें
with
खुद नहीं पता।
women. What have you done?
लेडी
to
हो
them?
के तुमने लेडी को ऐसे
These
करवाने
facts are on
दिया।
the record. Your own document. 4:15 AM. She's
सुबह
brought
4
to the
बजे
police
उठा लो।
station with a child.
कोई बच्चे के साथ।
More is wanted.
The woman sub-inspector was there in the raiding party. I apologize that we should have waited
कह
for
रही मैं माफी
2 more
मांगती
hours
हूँ
and then brought
कि
her.
हमें 2
I
घंटे और
apologize
रुकना
for
चाहिए
that
था।
as well.
Why do you need to apologize for these thankless people? All right, very well. Yes, Mr. Mazumdar.
Yes.
When was Rokia Khatun arrested?
Yes.
अब वो सारी केस की अब पैरवाई चल रही है कि कब
Your
उसका
secret,
अरेस्ट हुआ,
you
ये
gave
कब
her
आया।
summons to appear on the next day. That is, she
अब
was
वो
to
कह रही
come
कि
back
तुमने
on
समन
26th
जारी
day.
करे थे।
Now your sequence is silent. She is shown arrested on 31st May. What happened between that period?
My lord,
She was kept at the police station.
she was not kept in police.
Yes, she was
Your
kept.
Lordship, notices were issued and she was released on PR bond, and then she was summoned the next day. We have the 160 CR.
Next day was 26th.
And your Lordship, all the local witnesses were pointing their finger to Shah Jahan Ali. And because as per local information, we have that Rokia Khatun was well aware of all his land dealings. And the murder weapon through 2 7.65 mm cartridges were found.
वही
in the
कहना चाह
scene
रही
of
कि
crime,
भैया
and
सारी
we have
जो
not yet been
सामग्री
able
थी
to recover
जिससे
the
मर्डर
murder
वगैरह
weapon.
हुआ था
So
सब
the
पता
local source
था उस
So
information-
लेडी
for
को।
your failure to nab the principal accused, you will start picking up women. That's what
उन्होंने कहा
you
भाई
try to
फेलियर तुम्हारा है,
convey.
तुम
Your Lordship,
कातिल
the
को नहीं
local
पकड़ पाए,
information
तुम उसकी
conveys that
औरतों
the
को
wife
पकड़ के
is
लाने
well
लग गए।
aware, and
फेलियर
she
तुम्हारा
has
है।
been complicit equally
So, up-
in hiding the murder weapon, and which is why we had to interrogate her. And because this was a completely blind case, several witnesses have been examined. So we had to re-examine her continuously so that we could corroborate new facts. And your Lordship, if I may submit, because Shah Jahan Ali is a very well-known criminal in that area, interrogating or examining his wife.
So there is a presumption that his family members are also criminal.
Your Lordship, it's not a
तो जैसा भी
presumption.
कह
We
रहे हैं
have
कि मतलब
local
तुमने मान
information
लिया
and
कि वो तो
statements,
क्रिमिनल
which
है ही
say
है,
that she was well aware of
उसके
all
जो
his
फैमिली
land
मेंबर है वो
dealings
भी
and his
क्रिमिनल है।
brother, and she were complicit in the conspiracy and abetment of the murder of the original.
You're directing registration of an FIR now, right now.
वो कह रहा मुझे इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं तुम्हारी बात सुनने में, तुमने उठाया क्यों?
We haven't
कह रहा है फिर खराब
anything
करूंगा
to add,
तुम्हारी।
please.
My lord, lordship has seen
कह रहा और कुछ है
circumstances
बताने को तो
under which
बता
all
दो।
these things have happened.
Mr. Mazumdar, tell us from your case diary, what happened after the lady was summoned on 26th?
वो कह रहा 26 तारीख को
Where is your
जब
case
तुम-
diary?
जब तुमने उसको समन करा था उसके बाद क्या हुआ, उस केस डायरी से मुझे डिटेल चेक करके बताओ।
You can do anything you want to the accused. Why pick on ladies and children?
वो कह रहा तुमने जो मर्डर है, जो एक्यूज है, उसके साथ करो जो तुम्हें सही लगता है, लेकिन बच्चों और औरतों के साथ तुम कुछ भी करने लग जाओगे, ये तो गलत है ना।
Rokia Khatun, my lord, one of the wives, she was produced in the court
On
on
31st.
31st.
26 तारीख का सम्मन था, 31 को उसको कोर्ट में
That's what the
डाला।
question is. You gave her summons to come back to the police station on 26th.
हाँ 26।
Summons to- every day, madam.
Your written note doesn't say so.
This note was hurriedly prepared, madam. Madam, copies we have of notices. Yes. Lordship, may kindly allow her to.
Yes,
Your Lordship, the victim party was not, because they were in a state of trauma, they could not immediately file the FIR, because of which we took a suo motu case, and a supplementary FIR giving a sequence of names was filed the next day by the brother of the victim, which clearly has the name of Shah Jahan.
now please don't make us comment. This step-by-step improvement, you want us to believe that?
पुलिस केस तैसी कर दी थी
Documents have been submitted in the
स्टोरी मत
report.
बनाओ
The
जैसा आपने
first
कह दिया
FIR
कहानियां
and
मत
the,
सुनाओ मुझे
So the
subsequent-
names of the accused dawned on them subsequently. That's what you want the court to believe.
No, your lordship, the first is a suo motu FIR, because we knew about a cognizable offence being committed, we immediately registered the FIR. And the brother of the victim submitted an FIR with the names of the first name being of Shah Jahan Ali to us the next day, that is on the 26th. But because the case was registered on the 25th, your lord, this was added as a supplementary FIR and submitted to the honorable court of Vilasipara the next day.
तो ये
All
बता
these,
रही है कि जो
documents
केस
are in
हुआ
the
था
honorable,
उसके अंदर हमें
court of
रिपोर्ट मिल गई
Vilasipara.
थी हमने सारी जांच करी है उसके बाद उसको उठाया उसकी वाइफ और बच्चों को
Mr. Mazumdar,
My lord.
don't force us to comment on their conduct any more than what we have already done. This is a systematic setting up of the case.
Oh, my lord, my lord,
Your police inspector went to the house of the victim. He was there. The victim was lying all alone on the bed.
Yeah.
His family members were there. At that time, they didn't know who the miscreant was who fired. Second report at the hospital. Till then also they don't know. Suddenly in the morning it dawns on them.
No, no, man. In the,
वो कह रहे जब तक मर्डर हो रहा है सारी बात हो रही है पुलिस को कुछ नहीं पता लेकिन उसी रात को पुलिस सब कुछ कर देती है
These are the two persons who are involved. In the first paragraph, it says Reza Hussain
उन्हें ये
and
नहीं पता
Shahjahan
होता
Ali
कौन मर्डर कर गया
have
कैसे कर
killed
गया
her
लेकिन
husband.
उसी रात
She
उन्हें
said.
सब कुछ पता लग जाता है और वो उसकी वीडियो भी पकड़ लाते हैं उसके बच्चों को भी पकड़
Read
लाते हैं
Annexure 2, page 19.
जज साहब कहीं ना कहीं इस बात को समझ चुके हैं कि भैया कुछ यहाँ पे दाल में काला है या पूरा जो केस है
Read
क्लियर
your own
नहीं है
inspector's report, page 18.
अब वो कह रहा है कि अपने इंस्पेक्टर की रिपोर्ट पढ़ो जरा और इसे समझाओ मुझे कि यहाँ पे क्या दिक्कत है
This is
Now,
so
let
good,
then let us go into the details now. Nitty-gritties of the thing.
अब कह रहा है
You
कि
want
अब
the
मैं
case to
डिटेल
be
में
destroyed
जाऊंगा।
right now?
वो
What
कह
you
रहा
have
है कि तुम्हें
fabricated.
केस अभी
You want us
खत्म
to
करना
destroy,
अभी
we'll do that.
बताता हूँ मैं अभी के अभी खत्म करूंगा इस केस को तो इस तरीके के केस भी कई बार सामने आ जाते हैं जिस समय आप होते किसी और पोजीशन में हो और चीजें आगे खुल जाती हैं क्योंकि जब लॉ ये कह रही है कि भैया बच्चों को लेडीज को नहीं उठाना ठीक है जो कल्प्रिट है उसके साथ आप करो अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ जो बनता है लेकिन आपको पता है हमने देखा भी है पुलिस का जो सिस्टम है वो अपने ही तरीके से काम करता है लॉ को किस तरीके से वो यूज करते हैं ये हम सब लोग जानते हैं तो बाकी मिलते हैं किसी अगली वीडियो में तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।